Welcome to Uptime.com. In this video, we will briefly cover the setup process for private location monitoring using Docker. Private location probe servers function just like a normal global public location, sending encrypted data like metrics, alerts, and logs to Uptime.com's central check servers for reporting in the main Uptime.com account UI. Private location monitoring can be used for a variety of internal services that are protected from external access. Here's a common example. Your service is behind a firewall where whitelisting isn't allowed. You can utilize a Docker instance to deploy a secure version of our monitoring platform within your network, which will allow you to monitor private services without exposing your network publicly. Here at Uptime.com, we are always improving our services. Please look out for new versions to stay up to date with features and security, which can be found from our changelog. Before we proceed with setup, please make sure your server meets the minimum specs to run your new private location. Please see our private location GitHub repository for a list of updated technical requirements. To begin, navigate to Probe Servers, Private Locations, and under Private Location Deployments, select the Deploy Location option. This will automatically create your private location, allowing you to view your API token, as well as selecting your desired platform to download. If you navigate back to the Private Location Status section, you can rename your private location to your desired name and also have the option to delete the private location. You will also notice the status of your created private location is not reporting, so we will need to set this up. It is recommended to run apt update on your server before installing any new packages. Next, log into your Docker profile. To do this, enter the command docker login. You will be prompted to enter your username and password to continue. Next, we need to pull the newest image version from the Docker repository with the following command. Please ensure you are indicating the correct version number at the end of this command. Download time will vary depending on internet speed and connectivity. Once the download is complete, copy and paste the run command from Uptime.com's GitHub repository. Substitute your API key provided by Uptime.com support and the appropriate version number into this command before running it. After running this command, you will be provided a string of characters indicating that the container has been started successfully. To check if your private location is up and running, you can run this command provided from Uptime.com Quotas GitHub repository to view the logs on your container. Please remember to substitute your container's ID in this command. We recommend including the JQ command to make the JSON logs more readable. It is normal to encounter errors such as check stalled check detection log on startup. Please allow approximately 1 hour for this error to resolve itself. If you then navigate to create a new check or edit an existing check, you will be able to see the created private location as a location to monitor. If you are looking to monitor your internal services without making them public-facing, Uptime.com's private location monitoring can help ease the stress of keeping your services secure while still ensuring that they are running smoothly. Please reach out to us at support@uptime.com for any additional assistance. Thank you for watching.